Hi, this is Crystal Star with Eye Chakras, and today we're talking about crystals. The next stone I want to talk about today is a very special stone, smoky quartz. The reason it's very special to me is because this is one of the first stones I started working with when I started working with my clients. This little stone right here is what I recommend to my clients when they're feeling like their head's a bit in the clouds. Like they can't concentrate, they can't accomplish their goals. They start a goal and then suddenly they become distracted and they're not able to accomplish it. It means that your root chakra is craving the frequency that this little stone right here can give you. Now, if you want to read about smoky quartz in Enchanted Crystals, then you're going to turn to page 201 in my book. Very stabilizing and grounding, helps one become more confident in the workplace, and helps one reach his or her goals. Of course, the color is a transparent, smoky-ish color. The element is earth, and the chakra is, of course, the root. For smoky quartz, you're going to want to use this, of course, for your root chakra. That means that you're going to place it on the pelvic bone or on your tailbone. The best place to keep stones is always on your nightstand because when you sleep, you absorb the most energy. You could also place it just in your palms because there are chakras, minor chakras, in both of your palms which give and receive energy. So if you don't feel like lying down, then just go ahead and hold on to it. You can even keep your palm open to absorb its energy. That's really the best idea. Or you could lay down and place it right on the chakra. Now you could do this during meditation if you are someone who enjoys meditation. But if you're like most of the world and you can't seem to concentrate during meditation, then you could also say an affirmation. You could just place it on your body or hold it while you're trying to fall asleep or as a part of your morning ritual. Just because meditation is difficult, don't assume that means that you can't heal or use stones. You could always go around that, although meditation is the best way. Now, if you have any questions about this little stone right here, smoky quartz, please leave your questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe.